Hey Skyler, your website is good. I just wanted to show you the couple things you need to tweak so it fits the rubric a little better. So instead of look at my website, this should be your goal. So like I want to run a 7 minute mile or whatever your goal is by April 2021, is what it should say right here. And you can actually just delete all of this because some of it's yours and some of it's the template. So just delete all of it. It keeps it simple and it's easier for you. So you can delete all of that. And then you only have one page instead of two. So this should be renamed to either My Progress or Research, doesn't matter. And then whichever one you choose, you need to have the other one. So you need to have a home page, a My Progress page, and a Research page. So add another page, change the name on this one. You can delete all these photos that don't fit. And like I said, you can delete oh, here's your story. This wasn't loading before. So this is great. Just put this on its own page called My Story or My Project or Progress. So, yeah, just put this on its own page so it's easier to find because I couldn't find it because it's like changing. So yeah, just delete this whole widget on the home page, copy and paste this onto a new page called My Progress, rename gallery to research. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. I made a video so it was a little more clear. Let me know if you need help or are confused on anything. I'll also write it down as like a checklist of what you need to do. So check that out as well.